Hello guys, today I will show you how to use ReelShort app and get free coins. So, if you want to watch premium content on the ReelShort but don't want to spend money on coins, in this video I will show you how to use the ReelShort app and earn free coins so you can unlock your favorite shows without spending a dime. First, navigate to Play Store and search for ReelShort. Then install ReelShort and click on the open button. Now, after opening the ReelShort application, you will see this interface. We'll have to choose some recommendations. If you don't want any recommendations, click on the cross icon at the top left. Now, ReelShort will give you automatically 50 coins that you can redeem by logging in. So the first and foremost way to get your free coin is logging in. So install ReelShort and click on the login to claim button. Now sign in with any of these methods, that is Facebook, Google or TikTok. After choosing an account and signing in, you will instantly get 50 free coins on ReelShort. Now, ReelShort offers various dramas and short form videos, many of which requires coins to unlock. You will notice that the first few episodes of most shows are free, but later episodes needs coins. So, if you want to learn to use ReelShort, you can simply click on any of the video that you want to see or the movie that you want to see. This will show you an instant trailer for that movie. Now, you can click on the like button to like that movie. You can click on start to add it to my list. You can click on list option to see the listings of this series. As you can see, when you click on one, this will instantly open the first episode of this series. Now, click on list again and you will see how many videos are there in this one. Now, when you click on the lock icon, it means that these are the locked icons that you need to unlock using your coins. Click on the locked one and you'll be able to see that. You can click on list. You can click on lock again to see that. So that was the simple way through which you can watch movies. Now I will show you more ways to earn free coins. So the easiest way to earn free coins is by watching rewarded ads. Just tap on the watch ad for coins button. Simply click on any of the movie that you want to see, click on list, and when you click on any of the logged item, it will show you this page where you can click on watch ad to unlock for free button. So you can watch 3 ads per day to unlock any reel. We can click here and it will show an ad, after which it will instantly give you coins through which you can watch that specific episode for free. Now, another way to do this is daily check-ins. Log in every day to claim your daily bonus coins. ReelShort always gives bonus coins. These increase the more consecutive days you check in. Now, you can go back and in the reward section, you can click there, and as you can see, I have currently 9 coins available. Now, you can click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen, click on earn rewards, and this will take you to this page where you can easily find tasks like downloading other apps, taking surveys, or signing up for services which can give you a good amount of coins. Now, another way to get coins in ReelShort is using the referral program to invite friends to join ReelShort. So, you can invite friends to join ReelShort, and when they sign up with your link, you both get free coins. So, once you've earned enough coins, simply tap to unlock logged episodes and select use coins and start watching. And that is how you can use ReelShort and earn free coins. If this guide was helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. If you have any questions, see you in the next video.